What's up, guys? It's Majesty Bianga here with the Financial Drive-Thru again, and today we are talking StrongBlock. We have seen the price of StrongBlock dip drastically from about the $700 mark back in January, so second week of January, and it's gone all the way down below at least below what I have ever seen, because I have said it repeatedly in many of my videos. I had not seen StrongBlock go below $400 since September 22nd, which was kind of when I started. So somewhere around, well, this is August. Yeah, somewhere around here was where I got into StrongBlock. I rode it all the way to the top, sold around $1,000, and then I had been trying to increase my nodes since then. So right now we can see there is some resistance at the 200 and some change dollar mark. So I have it at 211, but we've seen the price action, and this is the daily chart, by the way. So each of these candlesticks represents 1 day in price, and yes, it's been struggling to get across this section right now. Now the question everyone's been asking is, why has the price dropped so much? And so there are a number of things that we can attribute to this. One, we could actually say there's been a mass sell-off from a lot of users of StrongBlock to invest in other investments, like Thor nodes, power nodes, all the other things that are coming up these days. Strong has been the number one, as far as I'm concerned, the number one node project for quite some time right now, and everything that has come out since then has either been a copycat or just something that came up and did not last. A lot of people have lost a lot of money, and I know personally, like as you can see, I still just have 3 nodes over here. I've been using my nodes to basically fund other investment. So Strong has been doing pretty much consistently good for the longest time, and now we're seeing the prices dip. But then there's also the talk about the Stronger token, which is also creating a certain degree of uncertainty among certain investors, and also is making other people feel very bullish. So what I want to do today is go over this with you. We're going to go over the StrongBlock light paper, and we're also going to talk about the Stronger token as well as the StrongChain. So you might have heard that StrongBlock is actually getting their own chain, StrongChain, as a solution to all the issues that they've been having with high gas costs and sustainability issues. The main thing to look at here for Stronger would be the tokenomics, okay? So Stronger is going to be an ERC20 token at first mint. And then when StrongChain launches, Stronger will convert to a native token ERC20 liquidity and Ethereum and other L1 and L2 bridges. So StrongChain will be a community-owned chain. So there's actually talk of Strong becoming a governance token and Stronger tokens becoming the main token that everyone jumps on. Okay, so the following is the initial proposed StrongChain token structure, and they are stressing initial proposed. So apparently this is subject to change depending on a number of factors that we would hopefully find out soon enough, because this is stuff we want to know. Now, this is the part that people really want to know. So the proposed model, and again, I have to stress this is just a proposal. 30% of Stronger is going to be given to current Strong holders. They have a separate 10% for DApp grants, 10% for liquidity, 10% for marketing, 20% for validated nodes, and 20% for node rewards. Phase 2 is what we should be looking at here, and this is actually where we are. This is the transition to the Stronger token. So here they say having Strong tokens will make you stronger. All current Strong holders will be awarded Stronger tokens. Now, we don't know how much this is going to be. We don't know, pretty much anything about it besides all that we've seen in the initial proposal. But the good news is if you have nodes will have the highest Stronger award percentage. People who are in the pool, so the pool liquidity pool holders, will also receive the second highest Stronger award percentage, and anyone who has Strong tokens in their wallets would also receive a Stronger award. So this is most likely going to either be airdropped to you, and that is my assumption. I will appreciate any comments that can clarify if anyone has happened to see an AMA or something that gives additional information I'm unaware of. I'd appreciate it if you dropped it in the comments. NFT holders will retain their boost value, which is good. NFT holders, metal NFT holders, will also receive Stronger awards, and they would also be a component of the Strong chain. Now in phase 3, you'll be looking at launching StrongChain with Stronger. We aren't here yet, but we'll also be migrating the nodes as a services DApp and opening up new economic layers. Okay, so in this situation here, we've been talking about this where people are no longer going to need 10 strong to get access to a strong node, but rather you'd find that you can get a fraction of a node, which is easier for other people who might not have enough cash to get a full node, which, mind you, at this prices, if you can get a full node, this is going to cost you just under $2,000. And so definitely something to think about if you can afford it, right? But going back to the GitHub here, we can also see a percentage of the fees will be directly sent to community validators and stakers. And there's going to be a marketplace for more nodes, NFTs, and more. I'm actually excited about this one because the NFTs have been scarce, so to speak. So here there's a roadmap. You can see again, Q1 of 2022, we're transitioning to Stronger. New feature will be sizable nodes. There'll be entangled nodes as well. I do not have clarification on this, so I would appreciate some insights. If you can, drop a comment, let me know. You can check all this out. I'll put the link down for you. I do see StrongBlock actually going back up in price once people have some more information, once people have an idea of what's going to happen. And it's very important, if you are invested in this community, to actually take some time and go through this document, okay? Because this would make you decide exactly how you're going to approach this. Going by this document, you already can see that if you hang on to your strong tokens and you don't sell them, you're going to get a bunch of stronger tokens as well for doing that. Now, I have to point that out because personally, like, I got 3 nodes and I've been focused on getting my capital out so that it's all profit, which I do believe I've achieved at this point. So I've been in the habit of withdrawing weekly, which is why I've been stuck on 3 nodes since December. Okay, and I've been in this again since September 22nd. It's been absolutely phenomenal. This has pretty much funded almost every other thing that I've been doing. We are on a huge target to make $1 million in a year. And it's quite disappointing to see StrongBlock dip in price like this, but understanding that they have plans and they've gone ahead and they've established a background for this. Okay, so they've already done the whole node section that is going to pretty much handle the smooth running of their blockchain once they launch it. I think that's actually genius because now they are working from a different angle at this point. Okay, so they have over 376,000 nodes in total and over 8,759 NFTs. That's a lot of money moving through the system. That's a lot of nodes to ensure that the system moves exactly how they want it to move. And so I can only be optimistic and only hope. And yes, I am literally hoping. It's not something that I happen to know for sure. I am not a financial advisor. However, this is exactly what I'm doing going forward. Based on the information I've seen about the Stronger token, I no longer plan to be selling my Strong tokens. I'm going to hang on and I'm going to see what happens. I was very, very lucky and privileged to have gotten my last 2 nodes thanks to money that I got from airdrops. Okay, and that was pretty amazing because somewhere around here was where I bought my nodes. I got pretty lucky, and so it wasn't exactly money out of pocket, but I figured, why not put the money into something that would make more money over a longer period of time as opposed to
reinvest the earnings into foreign currency accounts with compounding interest and it's gone.
And so this is me in StrongBlock looking to the future. My question to you guys is, what are you doing right now with StrongBlock? What are your thoughts? What do you think of the price action? Should we be worried? Should we be panic selling? What exactly are you trying to do? Let me know in the comments. Yes, it might not be super profitable, especially with Ethereum fees to be selling at these prices. I understand that if you only just signed up to StrongBlock like recently and you're trying to get back your initial investment, this would not be great news to see, watching the price dip in this manner. So I want to know, how long have you been in StrongBlock? Have you been considering StrongBlock? Is this going to be a good entry point for you? Is this a beware situation where everyone is trying to get out of there? Let's start a discourse. Let me know what you think. I know that at this point I feel extremely bullish about this because StrongBlock has been great so far and I'm willing to bet on it at this point. And I do see this low prices as a chance for me to finally get my 4th node and see if that's going to give me an edge on StrongChain. As always, if you like this kind of content, all I ask is for a like, a subscribe if you found this useful, and yeah, we're going to be talking about this for some time, so if you are interested in this, definitely stay tuned, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.